InsightAce Analytic's CDMO intelligence report tracks $24.86 billion in investments across 732 global announcements, with 154 expansion projects worldwide. The global CDMO market is projected to grow from $161 billion in 2023 to nearly $322 billion by 2033, driven by advanced biologics and emerging manufacturing technologies. Major investments include Novo Holdings' $16.5 billion Catalent deal and expansions from Fujifilm Diosynth, Samsung Biologics, and Lonza. Expansion hotspots include US reshoring at $18.48 billion, Asia scale-up at $8.26 billion, and growing investments across Europe. The full report includes 15-plus company profiles, 732 tracked announcements, and strategic CDMO market insights. For more information, feel free to get in touch with us. You can email us at info@InsightAceAnalytic.com or call us. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to visit our website at www.InsightAceAnalytic.com for more details.